Hello, my dear viewers. This is Dukas Copy Webinar YouTube channel, and you are watching Forex Trading. Rakesh. Today is 6th of October 2023, and the day is Friday. The message that you are seeing here all stream that was better. I could not yesterday. I hope that if anybody will see that message today, they will get the stream tomorrow. But tomorrow is Saturday, so all right, guys. Got my point, right? Well, if you don't know me, I am a Dukas Copy is a small trading community member. Cannot say me that I am an employee of bank. Not I am an independent trader and technical. Not confused as an employee of Dukas. Uh, I'm making it clear in the beginning so that you don't get this research and this is my own idea. The next few minutes we will be discussing the price action. Key are the key levels of importance. Somebody call it as support and resistance. Call it as demand and supply zone. I call it them inflection points or key areas where we can expect reversal that are key areas of interest. So we are trying to find those out and then we can use areas in our trading setups. The idea is to the minimum possible risk and to gain maximum possible profits. If we keep on doing it consistently over the longer period of time, then can be profitable traders. Have to do it every time. Times we may even fail to do so. Okay, but if the risk involved and the reward involved is statistically profitable, like you're risking 1% and you're expecting on a trade, and if it is satisfying you, then only open the trade. Otherwise, there is no need. Statistically, if you can do this, then out of 10 trades, if you are making profits in three, or if you're right in three, I think very good thought behind opening trade that if you're going to gain percent, go for the trade risking. All right, guys, we'll see how we can use that. But in this program, we will be using the only candlestick type of charts. Analyze our charts. They give all the information that is required. So have to bother about any other type of. At the end of the session, I'll be answering all the questions. My request to you that keep asking your questions. Chat box that is provided. I'll take the questions by one. And lastly, before I start this webinar, I want to make it clear. I stream only for information knowledge, not as a trading advice. It's not a trade. You have to do your own research. Time. All right, guys. Let me standard risk go through it, understand it. And I have one more question for you before I start this webinar. That will you be okay if there is anyone with me now? Will it be okay if you share your charts with me? I show them here live, and then we analyze what are your opinions. Like you send me a picture in this chat box, I can accept that picture. I will tell you, and then we'll analyze that market for you. I think that will be the idea. Guys. Sometimes I see that just want their ideas. It will be even if there is some correction to be made, I can make it live. Okay, whenever the time permits, answer this question. Let me take you to charts. The first chart, as usual, dollar index we every day, and the up move that has just started around on 14th of July this year. Up, up move is still continue, but has struck the resistance zone around 107.12 area. Area was of importance in the past year. Now it has stuck here, but I am still expecting an up move to the level of 107.87. Will that happen? I don't know, but this channel seems breaking to the downside. All right, and but this is the daily chart, and I am not very confident about selling this market right now, because before making this high, after this high, the market made this low. This is a relevant low. Until the time this low is not broken, cannot be sure that the sellers have taken. So the idea is that we let the market go like this, and eventually when it breaks this area, then we become alert. We look for a selling opportunity, like at the REIT. This is I am nevertheless, guys. 107.03, 107.12 area is an area of good. Now you can remove these channels, trending channels that we use by position. Now these two, this is a zone of resistance, and a zone of support is around 105.31 area. If we see any close below 105.31 on the daily chart, then we can look for the selling opportunity. Like if the market closes the red candle, then starts retracing back, then this area may be seen as an area of opportunity short. The lower targets may be 102.84, 104, and even 101.58. We don't know yet because the selling has not emerged. Till now, till 105.31 is not traded, we are still buyers. Below this, we will try to look for the selling up. Talking about the euro, perfect channel to the downside, a perfect top at 1.0448. Now, after going up, the price came down. Now, it is still not an uptrend, but not an uptrend on the daily. But if you look closely, 4 hour, the price here was making lower highs and lower lows. And here only, when the price broke this area, this was a hint that now we are going to buy. Whenever the price came down this area, it was bought back. All right. So this is something which is showing us that at lower levels there are buyers for the euro, but I am personally not willing to buy this market right now because on the daily chart we need to clear 106169. To the daily chart, you will see that the price was making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower highs, highs, lows. This was the lowest low that the price has made. Before this low was made, this was the lowest. Between these two lows, this is the lower high that the price has made. And until and unless price clears this high, we cannot be buying this. And something like this is what is expected now. If something like this happens, then this will become my, I'll be buying. I hope this is clear. Okay, so right now for me, the resistance in the chart is 1.669 area, and the support must be provided by this zone, which is 1.0448 to 1.0443. The Great Britain pound versus I remove here. There's also this day of thing of the past now. So similarly, you can see that on the similar lines of the USD JPY, sorry, Euro USD, this market was also making lower highs and lower lows. And these are the lowest low and the previous low. In between these two lows, this is the reaction high, or you can say that simple or high. Till the time this lower high is not broken, cannot be saying that higher high are expecting something like this, but it has not happened. So once the price goes to greater than 71, then we can be looking for buying market. Of course, there will be a hindrance from this channel's resistance area, but still, the market structure will break if the price breaks higher, right? And then we'll be looking for the buying opportunities like that. Right now, the resistance is 1.2271 and support is actually this low here, 1.20. Okay, in case of Australian dollar, yesterday there was a pin bar. And the price went lower than that, but now it is like a bullish engulfing on the daily chart. So yes, there is a possibility that this price will go towards 0.6521. But you also notice that this has started making on the similar lines. It has also started making lower highs and lower lows. Until the time this lower high is not taken out, this we cannot be buying this market. So where is this lower high? This lower high is around 0.6500. All right, so keep a sharp eye on this one, because since now the support has this area, if you can remove all this channel, your path will be here and a lot of information about what is happening in the market. So right now resistance is just 0.650. We need a closing above that for us to for the buying opportunities. This will become our area of trust. Right now you can look for something like this. Okay, if you guys have any questions whatsoever with this regard to what I'm saying, please ask me in the chat box. Not refrain from asking questions. All right, the USD JPY, you want to remove channels, you can remove channels. Channels are just for my supporting or confirmation. You can remove the channels if yes, times they provide some confirmation. Now on the way up from the daily, you can see something happening here. The price, I'm just starting from here, although from this area here has been made a higher high, high low, and it made a high here, then it made go here, then it made here, then it made go here, made a higher high. Between these two highs, the price had made this low, and this low has been broken. Can you see that? Now since this low is broken, can't we focus our shift our focus to selling market? Can. So look for something like this. I think on this daily it is not obvious, but on the 4 hour it is obvious that the price has broken this 147.27. I think is the level which we should be looking for getting cleared before we make selling 1 hour. Or so the thing is that what it did first, that is important, but here in even in 15 minutes it is not clear. So I will go to daily and recreate my levels, and I will take it as the high low both. That's why 150.15 and 147.27 there on my. This is now resistance and support. Above this it is buy, below this it is US dollar against the Canadian. Well, it went higher has now come again to the level where we are expecting these levels to act as a good support. So let us see how the things unfold. Right now the price is inside the support area but is not getting rejected on the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour there is a rejection, no volumes. So maybe on Monday or Tuesday there will be some buying from this area, but right now it is under pressure. Go to the daily chart, then I'll say that the price is already at the area of support, or in the zone of support. It is still 1.369 area, and the resistance now is around 1.3804 in this. USD CHF has met the resistance 0.922, has broken below the support area of 0.900. Next area of support is 0.9016, but we need a closing below this low for this to form. This may also be seen as a double top breakdown if the price gives a good closing below 0.90. On the other hand, if it does not, then we can be looking for a buying opportunity above 0.9. Right now, the support is 0.9090, the resistance is 0.92. Silver. Well, here somebody started buying silver finally. 22.21 is the area which I'm looking for resistance here, which is the previous support. Of course, it should act as a resistance. This is exactly what we require. If the price comes to 22.21, so those who failed to sell this market here, they would be trying to enter this bandwagon with a target of 19 points. Let's see how. Similar is the case for gold. You may be thinking that this is a bullish engulfing, but it is not. It is just you can say booking before the people are scared. 1858 is the resistance. This may offer some resistance, or 1884 may also offer a huge resistance for the price starts going up. Brent finally lost all its value, like I was about it yesterday. 81.94 is an area of interest for the buyers. If that holds, fine. If that doesn't hold, then the price may return back to 78 and even to 71. Bitcoin, no interest, nothing is happening. The price is just consolidating here. On Ethereum also nothing is happening. Price is trading. The euro against the Australian dollar, well, this area is an area of interest for the sellers. They are trying to push the prices lower. Day before yesterday, there was a bearish pin bar. Till the time the price is below 1.6651, there is no need to open any buy order. One can look for a selling opportunity, but not a buying opportunity. Above 1.6651, this will be a buy. Australian dollar against the New Zealand, well, that is happening. Thought that if it here touches here, then 1.0559 is post. The price is moving towards that. After that, we will see what happens. But right now, 1.0559 is the target. Pound versus Australian dollar. On the similar line of euro Australian dollar, it is happening. But here it looks like pound is gaining advantage and is trying to go higher. Look at here. The market structure broke. Finally, the buy entered. 1.925 is the support should now be seen as this low 1.90. All this bullshit. Next level is 1.9285. The support is 1.90. Just say 30. Okay. This is interesting because we are talking about price actions. So there should be nothing else but only price here. Intentionally removing. Oh, not valid. 33902 is an area of interest where sellers can enter. If they don't enter here, then they will not enter till 35096. The next level of resistance is 5096. The support is around here. So I am lifting it up to this place. 32814 is now the support. The resistance 3390. The market structure is down, so look for a selling opportunity to 33902. And if you really want to buy this market, then let the market go beyond 33902 and then only look for a buying opportunity. All right. So the Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc is right now trading at 0.6655. The support is around 0.6617. So there's a lot to go, lot to look. This one still possible. Sideline is over now. We will be actively buying this market at around 0.617. Check my Fibonacci this here, that the price is already at around 50%. So there is a high probability that the price will be at discount around 0.6617, maybe bought back the target of 0.6831 here in the market. Right now, support is 0.6617, resistance is 0.6749, and 0.6831. Pound is very weak against the Canadian dollar. Here looks like it's doing good. In the longer run, this channel has been broken to the downside. There was a lot of sell off. You can see, you can imagine 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days of sell off here. And now the price is trying to go up, but I think it will be short lived. This movement to the upside will be short lived. You can expect a lot of resistance around 1.7. Yes, this is a buying right now. On the daily, it is looking like making higher highs and lows, but be cautious at around 1.7. What happens there? Be cautious. Just tech, okay, it gave us some hints earlier of an up move, and it looks like it is going up, but I'm expecting the price to get rejected around 150,240 to 15,008 area maybe. I'm not very bullish on when I what happens here, or maybe even this falling channels. ODJPY, every rise should be now seen as a selling opportunity, this market, because it has breached the lows which were not supposed to be breached and have given a closing below that. Expect some sell off again when the price here. It from this it looks like I will close now all the levels because the range has finally increased. Now these two are the levels for me to watch on the daily chart. 96.92 is the resistance, 93.01 is, I will not be talking about any level in between. Euro GBP not going anywhere, so the cross continues. We don't have to trade this market as it is stable. Even I will just remove it from the chart. So GBP JPY one drop lower and thereafter it is going up. So because the pound has finally gained the confidence of the buyers, it is going up. And on the 4 hour, no, go to the daily and show you. On the daily, you see this was the high that the market had made. If you just come to this level now, else, then you will see that this is the resistance. 183.01 is the resistance, which once breaks, there will be no resistance whatsoever till 186.76. Once this breaks, you here, and with the target of 186.76 and with the stop loss of 183.01 only. So what I am saying is, let the price go like this, then look for a buying up here with the target of this one. And guys, that's all from my side. I hope you know about the levels of support and resistance in the coming days and hours. My request to you will be that please keep in mind to risk only 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in respect of what I was saying in the beginning, that do you want me to analyze your charts? If you want, I will show you the way how you can share your charts with me and we can analyze them together live. So please make suggestions in the comment section regarding that, if you want that or if you don't want that. And please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars if you are new here. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow, not tomorrow, but see you on Monday again at 1700 Greenwich Mean Time. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Take care.